Hey, what's up, guys? It's Pink Sweats. I'm here with Twisted, and they're gonna put a spin on my favorite hangover food, which is pizza. The last time I was like hungover, I was from Vegas. I was with the Chainsmokers, and I got so wasted. The Chainsmokers definitely can hold their liquor for sure. Way better than me. Or maybe they just know how to say no. My perfect hangover day would be, I'll wake up, search for my phone. You just want to see the time, and then I like pretend like I'm about to get up. I'll do like one of these. I'm like, oh, lay back in bed. After that, you try to order some Postmates. So like I'll order like 10 waters, a burger, some pizza, some wings, just cause you want to bite each thing. Like, Then you puke that up. Post puke, you just want to make sure all your body parts are still working. Just want to make sure. You never know. Then you lay back down and you feel awful. And you wake up and it's the next day. Do I cook? No, I don't cook. I'm more of a economy stimulator. I don't want to be selfish and be in the house cooking. I can stimulate the economy, and you have restaurants who they're waiting there to cook for you. That's like a job. I was like, wow, I'm gonna steal someone else's job. My favorite food right now when I go back home is the chicken cheesesteak from this place called D'Alessandro's. I think it's just the meat, and then they put like all of like the peppers and stuff, and then they kind of mean, so it's kind of like that makes it more enjoyable. They're like, what you want? I'm like, I don't know. It's a whole experience. I like deep dish now. I went to Chicago and had a deep dish pizza. I made sure to eat the pizza after the show. I kind of knew via past experiences that cheese is a disruptor. My favorite food when I'm writing is probably grapes. Something sexual about a grape. If you make a good R&B music, that's lit. I usually eat like Pizza Hut or like chain stuff. Oh no, you know what? Lorenzo's on South Street is a bomb pizza place. But it's really, I don't know if it's good or is it just big. Cause it's like the pizza slice is like this. And it's like $5. But it's like a whole pizza almost. Like, but it's just one single slice. Yeah.
Okay.
Dang. Hold on. I gotta take my pants off. I'll eat with my pants on, man.
Amazing.
You have to take the pants off. You don't want the sauce to drip. Yeah. This is different. Kind of good. Looks like you guys try to make it a little pink. Pepperoni. I smell a lot of love in this pizza. Somebody didn't wash their hands. I smell that too. Proper crust. The bounce back is good. Yeah, this is lit. Ooh, yeah. It feels good. It feels like a croissant. Eat it like a grape. Where do I go? Let's see what this crust do though. Alright. This is why you take your pants off. You don't want to get everywhere. Thank you, Twisted, for putting a spin on my favorite hangover food. You guys got me out of my pants. Strange activities. But the food was good. They made me say that. This worked? Alright. This shit out of tune. Pizza. 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 It's already platinum. It's platinum in 10 countries already.